Hey everyone! Welcome back to Siario Project, your go-to place for learning Python step by step. Today, we're starting an exciting journey into the world of Python programming. And the very first step, installing Python. Python is an awesome language, it's beginner-friendly and super versatile. Whether you're interested in web development, data science, or artificial intelligence, Python is your best friend. In this video, I'll guide you through the entire process of getting Python up and running on your computer. By the end, you'll be ready to write your very first Python program. Oh, and before we dive in, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our upcoming Python tutorials. Let's get started. First, let's head over to the official Python website. Open your browser and type in python.org. On the homepage, you'll see a big button that says Download Python. This button will always give you the latest stable version, which right now is Python 3.13. If you prefer an older version, like Python 3.10 or 3.11, you can click the link that says Visit the full list of downloads. From there, you can choose the version you need. Once you've decided which version to download, click the link for your operating system, Windows, macOS, or Linux. The installer will automatically start downloading. After the download finishes, open the installer. Now this step is very important. When the installation window appears, make sure to check the box that says Add Python to Path. This allows you to run Python from anywhere on your computer. After checking the box, click Install Now and let Python do its magic. The installation might take a minute. So, why Python? In this amaze of artificial intelligence, Python stands out as one of the most popular programming languages thanks to its simplicity and versatility. It's widely used in AI, data science, and automation with powerful libraries like TensorFlow, PyTorch, and Scikit-learn that make building complex models easier. Whether it's analyzing data, training AI, or automating repetitive tasks, Python provides the tools to get the job done efficiently. Python is also incredibly beginner-friendly. Its straightforward syntax allows even those with no programming experience to get started quickly. At the same time, it's powerful enough for experts working on advanced projects like virtual assistants, self-driving cars, and intelligent systems. With Python, you can focus on solving problems and creating innovative solutions without getting bogged down in complicated code. Perhaps one of Python's greatest strengths is its community. With millions of developers worldwide, there are endless resources, tutorials, and support available to help you along your learning journey. So whether you're dreaming of building models, analyzing data, or automating tasks, Python is the perfect tool to bring your ideas to life. Once Python is installed, let's make sure everything is working. Open your terminal or command prompt and type Python version. When you press enter, you should see something like Python 3.3, or whichever version you installed. If you see that, congratulations. Python is ready to go. Now let's write a simple Python script to test it out. First, let's try running Python code directly in the terminal. Type Python to enter the Python shell. Then type print open parenthesis, quote, hello Python, quote, close parenthesis. When you press enter, Python should print hello Python. Next, let's try running Python code from a text editor. I recommend using Sublime Text, but you can use any editor you like. Open Sublime Text and type this code. Print open parenthesis, quote, hello from Sublime Text, quote, close parenthesis. Save the file as tutorial.py. Make sure the file has a py extension so Python knows it's a script. Now open your terminal, navigate to the folder where you saved the file. Now type python tutorial.py. When you press enter, the terminal will display hello from Sublime Text. Simple, right? All right, let's quickly recap what we've learned today. We installed Python, verified the installation, and ran Python code in both the terminal and a text editor. These are the basics you need to start your Python journey. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you get Python installed and running without any trouble. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Siario Project, and leave a comment if you have any questions or ideas for future tutorials. In the next video, we'll write our very first Python program together, so make sure you're ready. See you next time.